Embrace the vibrant cityscape of Miami Beach where the ocean breeze carries the scent of fresh organic produce. Imagine stepping into a local grocery store, your senses awakened by the colors, the textures, and the sheer variety of organic products. Think it's expensive? Think again. Buying organic on a budget is more than possible. It's a reality. Start with a simple rule. Prioritize. Invest in organic fruits and veggies that are most susceptible to pesticides, like strawberries, spinach, and apples. Next, consider buying in bulk. Whole grains, dried beans, and lentils are often cheaper when purchased in larger quantities. Plus, they're the backbone of countless nutritious meals. And don't forget about local farmers markets. Not only are you supporting the local economy, but you're also getting the freshest, most flavorful produce. But the real secret? YouTube Organic, the go-to guide for all your budget organic shopping needs. From tips and tricks to the latest deals, we've got you covered. So why wait? Contact YouTube Organic today and discover how affordable organic shopping in Miami Beach can be. Remember, it's not about a lifestyle overhaul. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. And with a little help from YouTube Organic, you can do just that. Welcome to a healthier, happier you.